back. This is Karen. I also go by Crafty Emerald, and today I've got a unboxing for you guys. This was a restock from last week, and as you can see, it's a square. And what have I got for you today? It is the Autumn Tree by Molly Harrison. Look at how cute that little one is. Absolutely adorable. I do apologise, it's going to be a bit of a bad lighting, I'm afraid. I'll do my best. It's a 65 by 86.9. It's a square with a blue box and the symbols that we've got there. So we've got Autumn Tree down at the bottom. I'm going to put the light on so it's a bit easier. Okay, sorry about that, guys. And then we've also got the details there. So we've got 86 colours, including white AB, 2 iridescent, which is crystals, and then 3 fairy dust for 91,089 drills. Okay. Now I know this kit's not been out for very long. It was out a couple of months ago, and it's already had a restock. I was waiting to get this kit because I missed out on it the first time round. So we've got the toolkit. I'll go through that in a minute. Got canvas as well. And the DSC's new kits always come in this new sturdy box as well, which is quite cool. Here is the toolkit. I won't go through it super detailed, excuse me. But you got the pen there, just a twist and pick one. You got baggies there. You got a large toolkit, large tray rather. And within the tray you've got a 7-placer. Very similar to the 4-placer that's on the end of the pen. You've also got a pad of wax and DAC's own pink wax as well. I know most of you guys have probably seen these toolkits already, so I won't go into too much detail with these ones. This is also your legend, if you like, thank you for your purchase. Okay, so whatever you do, do not throw this away. It also holds information for you as well. Get that out. Ooh, so I see the card. Okay, so we've got some details there for you. You've got a Facebook group, got your tips and tricks, you've got your step-by-step instructions as well. And that includes how to use the new pen that they've got, the twist and pick pen. Okay, you've got your kit contents down at the bottom, and then you've got the app QR codes there. Now you can use those if you're a new customer or a returning customer. If it's your first time using the app, you can use those for 20% off. Okay, and then got a trading postcard. Now this is a gold one. Selling a second gold one, so I'm very excited about this one. You can tell it's a gold by the pattern around the edge. It's also got a different pattern on the back as well. It says gold on the back. Now Treasure Quest cards are a second rewards program with DAC. So you collect a certain amount of these cards. They've got 4 tiers. They've got bronze, silver, gold, which you've got here, and then black. So bronze being the most common, black being the most rare. So I'm quite excited to get a card that's the second rare one. Not second rare one rather, this is only my second gold so far. But look at how cute that is. It's absolutely adorable. Now, to collect, most people will just collect these because they're cute little cards to collect, but you can, if you collect a certain amount of these in the bronze, silver and gold, collect a certain number of them, go to that QR code there, on that website, there, you enter that code that's under that scratch off, and you can get gift cards or a custom. Isn't that absolutely adorable? And then we have the little legend. So you've got The Autumn Tree by Molly Harrison. And there's the image. It might be a little bit clearer than what I showed you on the box. A lot of purples and pinks in that background. It's absolutely adorable. And cute little owls, they look like they're kittens. Cute little kittens. Got your start and your end date there. Got your 86 colours down at the bottom. These are all stickers, by the way, guys. So if you could put them in a logbook or something, and you've got them all there. And then you've got all your 86 colours there. So you've got a lot of blues and purples because there's a lot in that background. And then at the back there, it'll focus. It's not focusing on me now, is it? Yeah, Mum. Doesn't want to focus now, does it? Okay, but at the bottom here, we've got 1AB. There's 2 iridescent, so it'll be the L crystals. They're crystals. Okay, the L's are crystals. I'm sorry, it's so fuzzy. It's not cooperating with me now. There we go. There. So the L's that you see there are crystals, and those Z crystals are fairy dust. Okay, so they've got like a mica powder. If I can show you in the drills, I will do. But there's quite a few drills, so I might not be able to find them. Just pop that to my side, and then we've got the canvas. So it comes in this dust bag. Okay. Some people keep hold of them, some people don't. Me personally, I keep hold of them because it makes it a little easier. But here is your colours. A nice big pack of drills. All those blues and pinks and purples. I can't see him off the top of my head, unfortunately, but Aurora Borealis is like a bright, sparkly coating on them, make them stand out. Okay, and fairy drills have like a mica powder on the top. Okay, not so sparkly, a little bit more subtle, but they still sparkle all the same. Okay, so I'm just rolling this back to lay it out. DAC's canvases are known as tarpaulin. They're made from tarpaulin, so it's unique to Diamond Art Club themselves. Okay, so you can see it's poked and rippled to stop it from fraying. You've also got perforated cover on it as well, so to section off your covers. That is also unique to Diamond Art Club as well. They patented that as well, I believe. Okay, but you can see there, you can actually see it in the light really well there. It's got a glittery effect to it as well. And the drills are super clear as well. You never have any problems with DAC's kits at all. You've got your lifetime warranty down on the bottom there. So if you have a problem with no drills, missing drills, run out drills, problem with the canvas, that sort of thing, you get hold of them via that email address and they'll try and help the best way they can. You've also got your social media down there and a code as well for Money Off code. You'll find one on your packing slip, your canvas. There's also sneak peekers and influencers on YouTube and whatnot. You have a code as well, and the DAC are always running some sort of sale, which is quite good. And then you've got your details down at the bottom. So this also shows that this is legally licensed as well, okay? So Molly Harrison gave her permission for this kit to be made into an image for diamond painting. She let the AC have this image to be made into a diamond painting, and she'll get a commission back for it. Which is good. You can see how clear they are. Okay. There we go. That's quite a long one. So it is going to take up the majority of my table as well. But look how cute that is. Now it is very confetti. By the look of it. Because of that background, loads of little changes in that background. So it's very confetti filled. And that is absolutely adorable. Look at how cute that is. It's quite long as well. It's like 87 centimetres. It takes up the whole of my table pretty much. You've got a legend on both sides as well. So you've got upper right, lower left. You can always use your little legend as well if you don't use them for kitting up and whatnot. So I'm going to have a quick run through of your special drills. So we've got the 1AB, which is in orange, which is a dash. There's a little bit in here. A little bit down at the bottom. There doesn't seem to be a lot of it. They're just in tiny, tiny bits. Okay, so we've got a crystal as well, 2 crystals. So we've got an orange and a white, which is a dot and a triangle. So the dot, these little stars that we see. Again, there's not a massive amount of them, there's only tiny little bits of them. There's tiny little bits of these orange ones as well. Can't see a lot of those in the either, to be honest with you. And then we have 3 fairy dust, so that's a J, a percent, a W, so it's a purple, orange, and a turquoise. You see the orange in these leaves. A little bit in these leaves are knocking around. There's something in as well. A few up in that one as well. J, which is a fair bit of a purple that you see, a light purple that you get in the back. There's a fair amount of purple in the background. And then the percent, and a little bit in the bow in the girl's hair. Can't really see much of that one, so there's not a lot of special drills in this one. They're in very small amounts because most of it is those blues and purples that you see in the background. So it's all that sky from when she's up in the trees. But it's very confetti filled. There's not much here colour blocking wise. You've only got a little bit of colour blocking in the little pets up on the branch. That's about it really. But this is the Autumn Tree by Molly Harrison. Now as far as I'm aware, this is still in stock. Okay, because it was a restock from last week, so as far as I'm aware it's still in stock. You'll have to forgive me if it's not. But this is all I've got to show you for today. It's only a little quick video for you today. I do apologise if you can't hear me very well. I've got the fan going in the background. So, but I do hope you enjoyed this. I do hope you enjoyed seeing this autumn tree. And I hope you're having a good morning, evening, afternoon, night, wherever you are. It's a bit later for me this time round. It's at like 8:30 at night. Hence where I've got the big overhead lights on. Because it's very dark outside now, being October. Joys of autumn. It's quite fitting for this one actually, the autumn tree. But I hope you guys are doing well. I I'm losing my words. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.